bluefin tuna. Dylan's been fighting this fish for a while. So I'm gonna gaff this one. Oh yeah, there he is. He did it all by himself. Good job, Dylan. Wow. He thought he needed help, but he did. Bigger than mine. Look at that, Dylan. Woo! I'm glad you didn't give up. You got it all by yourself. Are you tired?
Yes.
Good thing you did all that football conditioning. Nice. Okay, I gotta go get my. I gotta go fishing here.
Oh, she go.
Okay, Dylan's picking up his fish. Keep it in the boat. Yeah, look at that monster. Woo! I'm gonna get a picture now. Rick's hooked up on one.
Keep whining, Bubba. You almost got him. Everything you got. Get him, buddy!
He's in there.
Yeah!
Working it.
Almost got him, bud. Almost got him. One.
Kill that thing, little man.
Sit on it. Yeah. Wind down.
Start decking.
You only got a couple more here.
Oh, I see him in there. You got him, Rick. Oh yeah, look at him go.
Open hatch here, guys. Watch your feet.
You almost got him. It's a good one here.
Oh yeah! Woo!
Oh, yeah, buddy. I got it. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, look at that! Nice. You tired, Rick? Dylan's been fighting this one for a little while.
Yeah.
Any color yet, Dylan? Nothing? How's your arm doing?
Better than before.
Alright, it got warmed up from last time. I don't see no color. I love to videotape you fishing. Well, we got two fish fighting it out.
Go walk down that way.
Coming down the line, guys.
Under.
I got him, Christian. Okay.
Bring this bitch in, Dylan. You remember about your low gear?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just checking. I totally forgot about mine.
Yeah, but since it's close to the boat now, I got it.
You got it.
Right there.
I'd love to sit here and tape you, but I gotta go hook one up, Dylan.
Just steady one.
I'll be back for the kill.
Just stay right.
Rick's fighting the second one. Dang, that's a big one, Rick.
Might be bigger than you.
Can you see color yet? Oh man, you got a long ways to go, Rick. If you need help, you let me know. Okay, you fight it. I want you to do it all yourself. Like the first one.
Easy, easy. Come on, get on the feet.
Rod is bent.
That right here.
Okay, to be continued. Well, Dylan's hooked up on one and Ricky's hooked up on one. I'm eating my burrito. We got two hookups. Way to go, boys. This is Dylan's third fish. They passed me. I caught the first one, but they just passed me. If they can land it, this will be our limits. We'll have 6 bluefin tuna on the grande. Ricky's over in the corner. Rick is still fighting this fish. You see color. He keeps trying to go under the boat. I'm almost done with my burrito. While Rick's working hard, I'm eating.
Grande.
It's in colors sometimes. It's getting close. Rick said took out his whole line. Oh, there's colors. Someone's fish. You gotta go over. Go over. Over.
Wait, hold on.
Go over. Be
I'm-
careful. This corner fighting. Rick's in this corner fighting. There's blood on the deck. Nobody's helping you out, Rick? You're all, or Dylan, you're all by yourself? You're handling it? Yeah, he doesn't need no help. He's coming over to his brother. Got 3 fish on right here. Rick's coming up this way. Let's see his fish. Oh, look at the color. Oh, we got another one.
Take advantage here. Up to the right, buddy.
We got color. Hold on to Rick. Pick it out of the boat. Hold on, Rick. Tip up. Tip up. Tip up, Rick. Tip up, Rick. Yes. Hey, yeah, go over. Keep going. You gotta loosen your drag. Oh, Dylan's right here too. Keep it away from under the boat. Keep that tip up. These fish are trying to get off. This one's so close.
Almost there, Rick. Almost there, bud.
Keep on it, Rick. Keep that tip up.
And there's Kyle, Rick. And
So close. Hold them, Rick. Hey, this is a tough fight. Rick's doing it all himself. Oh, get that tip up, Rick. You got him almost.
Wine.
Wine. Yeah! Woo! Look at me, Rick. There it is.
Yes! Good job, Rick.
Good job, guys. I gotta go videotape Dylan now. We see color finally after like 2 hours.
Keep flying down, buddy.
You gotta come down here, Rick.
Oh, he's good.
He's got color.
Oh shit, you got here. Damn, that's a big fish, Rick. Let's see. Move your body. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, barely hooked him. Oh. I gave Ricky my reel to hold on to, and immediately the fish knew it was Ricky and bit. Brother and brother.